Magandang hapon. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, meron akong i-share sa inyo na mga benepisyo sa isang platform na napaka-legit, At itong mga benepisyo na ito ay pwede nyo mapupulutan ng aral at makakuha kayo ng idea paano natin mapaghandaan yung ating future, at paano po natin mapalago yung ating mga pirang pinaghirapan, hindi ka magkakamali dito kung aralin mo ito. So ito ay gabay lang para doon sa mga gustong magsimula at gustong ma-achieve yung kanilang mga goals. Panoorin ang video.
Exclusive benefit number 1, free financial ebook or the secret to savings and building your future. Magkakaroon ka ng copy nitong ebook na ito kung saan nandyan ini-explain ng detalyado how to become your own financial educator. So ma-access mo ito sa IMG portal mo pag member ka na ng IMG. So anytime pwede mo na siyang basahin kahit nasaan ka. Exclusive benefit number 2, free financial e-workbook. Itong e-workbook mo na ito ay magagamit mo sa financial e-workshop. Maganda ito kasi para kang nag-aaral, meron kang masasagutan para malaman mo ang currently financial situation mo at maging guided ka sa next step na gagawin mo. Ma-access mo ito sa IMG portal pag member ka na ng IMG. Basta may phone at laptop at internet ka lang. Exclusive benefit number 3, e-workshop 1. Kung gusto mong madagdagan ang cash flows mo at makabayad ka ng mga utang, matututunan mo yan dito sa e-workshop na to. By the way, ang workshop ay naka-schedule every weekend. Meron Saturday 9:30 AM Philippine time at Sunday ng 5:30 PM Philippine time pareho. So kahit nasa malayong lugar ka or sa ibang bansa ay magagawa mo pa rin matuto basta may phone at laptop at internet ka. Exclusive benefit number 4, e-workshop 2. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng strong financial foundation at ma-ensure ang sarili mo, matututunan mo yan dito sa e-workshop na ito. Exclusive benefit number 5, e-workshop 3. Kung gusto mong mag-invest sa stocks and mutual funds para ma-build mo ang wealth, para dumami ang assets mo, matututunan mo yan dito sa e-workshop na ito. Exclusive benefit number 6, e-workshop 4. Kung ang age mo ngayon ay nasa 30 to 40 na at nag-iisip ka na para sa retirement fee mo, matutunan mo yan dito sa workshop na ito. Pati ang estate planning, matutunan mo din dito kasi part yan ng retirement planning. Exclusive benefit number 7, e-workshop 5. Kung gusto mo naman na magiging financial educator din, tulad ko, tulad namin, matututunan mo yan paano in this workshop. Exclusive benefit number 8, free ebook insurance licensing examination reviewer. Kung gusto mo maging life insurance agent, may free reviewer ka na. And mas madali na para sa'yo na matututunan all about insurance at maging lisensyadong ahente ka ng MB Life. Exclusive benefit number 9, free financial check-up. Hindi naman talaga mahirap ang magkakaroon ng financial freedom. Nagiging mahirap lang ito kung hindi tayo naniniwala na may control tayo sa ating finances or mali ang mindset natin. Itong free financial check-up ay makakatulong sa atin saan ba may problema. Bakit hindi tayo nakakaipon or nakakasimulang mag-invest? Malalaman mo dito ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin para ma-achieve mo ang financial goals mo. Exclusive benefit number 10, exclusive members price for Associate Financial Planner Certification Program. Kung gusto mong i-level up ang kaalaman mo sa personal finance, become a Associate Financial Planner. Para sa andito sa Pinas, kung IMG member ka, ang membership price para sa program is only 1,500 kumpara sa regular price nito na 5,000 pesos. At para naman sa nasa abroad, kung IMG member ka, ang membership price is in this program is only 2,500 pesos kumpara sa regular price nito na 16,000 pesos. By the way, if you want to learn more, ay maaari kayong umatin sa aming free webinar. Ilalagay ko ang link sa baba para maliwanagan kayo. Okay? Exclusive benefit number 11, free personal accident insurance, 100,000 pesos up to 300,000 pesos. Accidents may occur anytime, anywhere. In the event upon an accident, personal accident insurance covers you become disabled, unable to work, or have a defined injuries, or such loss eyesight or earrings, or fracture bones, and died due to accident. Lahat ng IMG member with active accreditation ay makaka-receive ng libreng yearly renewal policy na magbibigay sa kanila ng protection in case of accidental death or disbursement. This free financial accident insurance ay para lang sa hanggang edad 64 only. At siyempre, member siya ng IMG. Exclusive benefit number 12, 50,000 pesos life insurance with 24/7 memorial concierge service tie-up with Everest. Isa sa mga pinoproblema ng mga mahal natin sa buhay kapag tayo ay nawala ay kung paano tayo mabibigyan ng magandang memorial service na hindi na nila kailangang mangutang pa or manghingi ng tulong sa mga kamag-anak. Lahat ng member ng IMG na may active accreditation ay mayroong 50,000 pesos life insurance. Fidelity Life is a mutual funds benefit association, is exclusively created for IMG members. It provide IMG members 50,000 life insurance with free memorial service through Everest. Meron lang one-time membership fee amounting to 500 pesos for those who want to be covered by Fidelity Life Insurance. Exclusive benefit number 13, IMG Vision Care. May libreng computerized eye exam ka, plus you will get the 2 frames per year ng libre if you purchase a multi-coated lens in De Los Reyes Optical or Kaiser Medical Center and sites for eyes branches. Exclusive benefit number 14, unlimited consultation for members. Meron tayong unlimited consultation exclusively to IMG members only through our official clinic partner, Kaiser Medical Center. At marami pang mga branches ng Kaiser Medical Centers around Philippines. Okay? Take action, secure your future now. You will always have an excuse not to save or invest. No matter what your excuses, one thing for sure, you are going to get old next year. No matter what your excuses, your child will grow up and enter college, and you would need money for his or her education. And no matter what your excuses, you will eventually retire and stop making active income.
At yun lamang po ang maisishare natin sa araw na ito, at sana po ay mayroon po kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Salamat po sa panonood. Bye bye!